Y'all see all this? Do y'all see all this? I'm going to be busy. I got a lot of reviews coming up. Some of them sponsored, some of them aren't. Now we're going to go over the ones. Oh, by the way, welcome back to the channel. I should have said that, but I am tripping on how much work I've got to do. I am going to be lit. Listen, all these reviews I got coming up gonna have me back on another toke break, I'm telling you. But let's go over what we got, okay? Now this is part of my haul that I went over while I was on toke break. Now I did get some Shop Hello Mary. I got a couple of things from Shop Hello Mary. I got Glitter Bomb, which is their greenhouse. I picked up some of that because I love me some Glitter Bomb. I do. The first time I ever tried this was with this vendor, Shop Hello Mary, and I have been hooked ever since on this particular strain right here. So every time they have it, I go for it. So I can't wait to review that with you guys. Now this one was subscriber recommended. One of my subscribers told me that this was a good one, so I had to go pick some up. Purple Hulk, I picked up a half ounce of this as well. I can't wait to open this up and try this and see how this goes. And for those of you that are on a budget, we got us some lit. Now, the first thing I got was lemonade. We got the smalls. As you can see, they are clearly smalls. So this is out of their essential line. This is lemonade. This is a sativa. We also got another lit. This time we got slaps. Now, I've never heard of slaps before. I have heard of my sons say the word before, but I've never heard of a strain being named after that. So I can't wait to get in this. And it feels pretty nice. It's a 1 ounce bag of smalls from them. Now, the last one that finally came in the mail was from Boom. Now, this is also their smalls, too. I got Wosi Wo. If you've ever heard of Do-Si-Do, I'm thinking that's what this is with a cross with something else. I'll have to reread it. But this is an ounce of their smalls. It also goes for $49.99 at Boom, their smalls. I don't know what tier this is on. It doesn't say. It's standard. It says it's their standard line. So, but they had a sale going on also where you can get at least 10% off of it. I saved some money off of the actual retail price of this. So they may still have it going on. So if you want to go to their site to see if they still have that Halloween sale going on, they might still have it or they may not. But this is another one. I just wanted to let you guys know that these were some of the strains minus the rosin that we were going to be reviewing. So you guys let me know down below what you would like to see first. I know which ones I would like to go through first, but as far as the ones from my haul, if you've watched my last video, you know what else I also purchased. But let me know down below which are the ones you want to see, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye now, because next week, I'm coming off this break. I am coming off. The toke break is over, and we are going to spark it up, guys. So I'll see you guys next week. Talk to you soon. Bye.